Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Violet color, blue color, brown color, sky blue color, yellow color, light pink color, light green color, dark green color, black color, red color, peacock green color, orange color. This is black color. Let's draw the shape. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon. Hexagon. Star. Rectangle. Circle. Brown color. Heart. 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 Brown color. Sky blue color. Triangle. 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 Sky blue color. Dark green color. Hexagon. 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 Dark green color. Black color. Star. 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 Black color. Violet color. Rectangle. 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 Violet color. Yellow color. Circle. 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 Yellow color. Brown color, sky blue color, dark green color, black color, violet color, yellow color. Heart. Triangle. Hexagon. Star. Rectangle. Circle. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.